Hey squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and we are back with another video for yeah, head top. Let me make sure I'm sitting down straight. You know what I'm saying? Let me fix up the table real quick. Let me make sure I'm looking good. You know what I'm saying? What is going on, everybody? Hey, look, I am excited. Of course, you've seen the thumbnail again. Today we are talking about the Yeezy 380. Thank God I don't have to say 350 no more. Thank God. Yeezy 380. Alien? Is that how we doing it now, yay? Now listen, Kanye West has been in the news as of late. His new album dropped, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you, it's low-key it's some trash, alright? It is some trash. It do got a few songs on there I like, you know what I'm saying? But majority is some trash. I'm a Kanye fan, you know what I'm saying? I listen to everything, Graduation, Late Registration. Do not even get me started on Deep, Dark, Twisted Fantasy. Boy, I can talk an hour for that album alone. Shout out to Ye, cause you the man. But it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Ever since Yeezus, you just... yeah, man, you just kind of been pissing me off. Regardless, man, what is up, man? What is the vibes, okay? This video is to check the vibes on how we feeling about the 380s. Now, before I even get started, I would like to say this, okay? I better not be crying, okay? If I see anybody in the comments crying about the Yeezy 380, I might have to just figure out where y'all live at, bro. Because for the last year, I have been bombarded, because y'all know, you know what I'm saying? This whole entire section, and even some down here on the bottom, are Yeezy 350s. I have the 500s, I got the 700s, I got 700s over here, I got 500s over here. You can't even see. I have been bombarded with, when are they going to stop making 350s? We're tired of the 350s. They stopped, okay? Well, I wouldn't say they stopped, but at least they gave us something new. We all know that they're not making no more of the 750s. Get them up out of here. Thank God they stopped with the boots. What were those, like the 950s? Get them up out of here. So now I'm guessing it's going to be 350s, 500s, 700s, and of course this new 380. A lot of numbers. I know. I don't even know, you know what I'm saying? I guess it's my job to know this. Regardless, they're trying something new. Now, originally this was supposed to be a basketball shoe, I presume. You know what I'm saying? I don't think nobody gonna hoop in it besides PJ Tucker, because he hooping anything with a lace system. Right off the back, okay? This sneaker is dropping this weekend, which is November 16th, for the retail price of $230. Now, it's not really crazy. The price point not really crazy, considering the fact that the 500s are 500. That was completely wrong. 500s are 200 bucks, and then you have the 350s that usually go for like 220. So there's like $10 more than your average buy, and I actually think that some of the 350s were like 230, if I'm not mistaken. So like it's right around that neighborhood. It's nothing crazy. It's not like he asking for 50-40 bucks more. You know what I'm saying? It's the same area code or the same neighborhood. Also, man, I mean, I know a lot of people are going to be crying that they don't like the shoe. Not the first time this happened. I remember when the Wave Runner dropped. I promise you, I feel like that old head that's telling his son or his grandson how like you can go to the store and get like a bunch of candy for a quarter or something like that. But listen, I remember vividly when Wave Runners dropped, they sat online for hours, literally hours, bro. Now they have restocked 3 times and you cannot find them anywhere because people are thirsty for them. The Belugas, when the Belugas dropped, when Kanye first dropped that Beluga, the orange stripe going through it, they sat. Everybody hated them, nobody liked them, and that's history. I didn't even know until I watched the Big Boy interview that Kanye West did on YouTube that Yeezy is the most searched brand in the world. That's crazy, especially since all of his shoes are ugly every time they come out. So from a resale standpoint, I don't know what these are going for. Let me go ahead and check StockX because, you know, I'm not really a reseller, so I don't really keep up with the resale numbers. But I know a lot of you guys are, and who am I? You know what I'm saying? To not give y'all what y'all want. You feel me? Okay, right now in the size 12, these are going for 1,000 of them things, okay? $1,000. And let me see if anybody bought a pair recently. Yeah, people are actually buying. Yo, somebody just bought these in a size 10 for $1,032. That's tough. Okay, so there are some resale going for these, man. Of course, we all know that the numbers usually drop whenever the shoe releases, but on top of that, you got to remember, anytime a shoe is like #1, which means like, of course, they're going to have different colorways. They already got like the black colorway for the Yeezy 380. Any colorways that come after this original colorway, it's not going to be the same amount as the OG. You know what I'm saying? No matter what Kanye shoe, as you look at the Beluga, the Wave Runner, those are like the most precedented. Those are the ones that usually have the most resale value if they weren't re-released. Like for instance, if the Wave Runner was not re-released 3 times, those will be going for double any 700 that ever came out. You know what I'm saying? But just since they flooded the market with them so much, the principle don't really work. But just, I guarantee, the first is always the most expensive down the line. So if you get a pair, there will be resale value no matter what comes out after, because you have that first. You have that first ever 380, the first ever original colorway. So if you guys are recent or just now getting into reselling, that's a little tip for you. Always buy the OG, man. It's always gonna be the most expensive. So for my resale guys out there, that's just a little tip for y'all. I'm kind of confused though, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm hearing. My boys was just down in Houston. They were there for Travis Scott's crazy bonanza, and Travis Scott brung out Kanye West like on the show, when they was down there in Houston for the Astroworld event. Just this past weekend, Travis Scott had brung out Kanye West. Coincidentally, the debut of Kanye West's 380 is dropping the same exact day of the Travis Scott Air Force One. Now, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm pretty sure it's something that they've been talking about. They are close friends. They practically almost family, even though, you know what I'm saying, Travis not with old girl no more, but y'all get what I'm saying. They practically almost family. And when it comes to sneakers and music, there's nobody else on that list other than Travis and Kanye, the way they've been doing it lately. I'm sorry for all my Drake fans out there. I know y'all love Drake. I love Drake, even though he got booed from the Tyler Creator show. I mean, look, that's for different reasons. All I'm saying is, when it comes to music and like sports and wait, why did I say sports? When it comes to music and when it comes to culture, as in sneakers and clothing, Travis Scott and Kanye are above just about everybody else. Even though Drake is an amazing artist and his shoes are great, play him, man. They give him Jordan 10s and they give him Jordan 9s and they give him Jordan 8s. Over here giving freaking Travis Scott Air Force 1s. Who never had a pair of Air Force 1s, man? They giving the man Jordan 1s, Jordan 4s, Jordan 6s. Those are all our favorites, man. The only thing he missing is like, what, a Jordan 11 or something? I don't know. They giving Drake the ugly shoes and they giving Travis Scott all the good shoes. If they come out with some Travis Scott 3s, bro, you can go ahead and take my money now. I mean, like right now. You go ahead and take that. I don't even need that. I don't even know what a Travis Scott Cactus Jack 3 would look like, but take my money now. So it all goes back to this, man. I don't know. It's a lot of stuff dropping this weekend. Alongside that, you get the Melody of Shinies. Those also dropped this weekend. So much stuff coming out, man. It makes it hard for a sneakerhead like me to pick and choose what to grab. Tough, man. Decisions. Now, how do I personally feel about the Yeezy 380? I don't think it's a bad shoe. I'm just like happy that they're coming out with something new, something innovative. Have seen reviews of the shoe and it has its ups and it definitely have its downs. Now, the things that I do like about this, or I'm surprised about, is I'm kind of surprised that Kanye didn't actually decide to go with like the reflective and non-reflective for this shoe. I don't think he has. If he did, then please let me know. I'm unaware of that, but as of late, the last few Yeezys that's been dropping has been reflective and non-reflective. I was just guessing that we'd get the same thing from this new silhouette, seeing how, you know, you probably want to get the ball rolling on it because a lot of people are up and down. Now, I don't see these 380s available on any major platforms such as Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, Hibbett Sports, none of these, okay? So I'm guessing Adidas and Yeezy Supply only. Now, it's ups and downs whenever it comes to Adidas Supply. Adidas.com and Yeezy Supply. So let me break it down for y'all. For all my people who knew and never bought anything on these websites, let me break it down for y'all. Number one, okay? Yeezy Supply, okay? Yeezy Supply, right, usually have more pairs than Adidas.com. Fact. It's a fact, okay? So you got a better chance. The down part is they drop random times of the night, so you never really know. Like Yeezy Supply may drop that shoe Thursday, 2 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Even though it don't come out till Saturday. I don't know why. Okay, I don't work for them. I can't tell you why, but that's just the stuff they do. Next, you don't live in the West Coast. If you don't live in anywhere in the West Coast, you'll probably get your Yeezy 380s January of next year. Yeah, so you can get those right in the new year. I don't know why it takes so long for Yeezy Supply to ship your shoes. I honestly feel like Kim Kardashian is in a warehouse herself, bagging them and tagging them with. I don't know why it takes so long, but it does, okay? It does. You might wear a different shoe size by the time you get that shoe. So just make sure you go half a size up. No, I'm just playing, man. Look, I don't know how they fit, so don't go half a size up and be on my back. But that's just about it for Yeezy Supply. I'm not sure if they're going to drop like randomly. I'm not sure if they're going to drop randomly or drop on time. You got to keep an ear out and an eye out, man, and just try to probably ask some people, you know, get the word. Adidas.com. I took that side because there's a lot of things that go on over at Adidas, man. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, like I said earlier, I ain't got no problem with Adidas. You know, I love Adidas, but I got to keep it a buck. I ain't going to hold you. It's Bot City over there, man. Yes, it is Bot City, Bot Central, Bot Nation. Bada boom. I mean, bro, it's gonna be bots every time you look around. It's gonna be very hard to get up in there because the bots. It is what it is, man. It's certain bots that you can probably participate in if you want them that bad. But Adidas is just, they swarm with the bots, man. I think they're trying to do better. They're trying to, like, you know, prevent them more than normal. But it just, I don't think it's gonna stop nobody, man. It just is what it is at this point. Me, I just came accustomed to it. Just, you gotta charge it to the game. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, and that's how I go down. Regardless, man, I'm excited to get a new pair of Yeezys, to get a new look, to get a new feel, to give y'all new content. Earlier in my YouTube career, man, my Yeezy videos used to do great. I got Yeezy videos on here with 50K, 40K, 30K, but I feel like as soon as the Yeezy kind of dried out, so did the views, to be honest. And I can't blame y'all, man. Y'all just got tired of seeing the same stuff, different colorway, to the point where I just stopped making videos of a Yeezy because I wasn't interested in myself. I honestly passed on like 5 of the last Yeezys that came out, you know, whether it be the Citrons, the freaking blue sky, like I don't even know the names no more, bro. I'm just like, ugh. However, it is a few 350s that I'm still looking for that's coming out soon. So, you know, the ones that I can't pass on, I'm gonna still review. The ones that's like I don't really care about, I don't really care about. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts and your projections on the Yeezy Alien 380. Once again, it will be releasing this Saturday, the 16th, for the retail price of $230. And you have to go on Adidas.com or Yeezy Supply because in my city, at least, they're not available. So that kind of made me think that they're a little limited. You know, they might be a little limited. I don't know the word on that. Hopefully y'all can find out and let me know. Already know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.